and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. It's me, Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cranberry pumpkin bread. So this is basically just pumpkin bread, but we're adding cranberries. And I will put the recipe in the captions, but we're using brown and white sugar. That is grated ginger, and you might think that that's something you can skip, but I wouldn't recommend it. The grated ginger just adds an extra spicy kick. Not spicy in like hot peppers, but like a sweet spicy. If you've ever added ginger to a baked good, just know it really amps up the flavor, and it takes the pumpkin and the spices and everything to the next level. Some flour, some baking powder, some baking soda, the seasonings, which is pumpkin pie spice, nothing revolutionary there. And I also added some orange juice to the wet ingredients. Now, I will say I forgot to add the pumpkin to the wet ingredients. So if you're making this, add the pumpkin to the wet ingredients. I don't know what I was thinking, but I almost got through this entire recipe, before it goes in the oven, but without adding the pumpkin. And I was looking at it here and I was like, wait, why is it this color? It should be darker orange. And then I was like, crap, I didn't add the pumpkin. So there's my pumpkin puree. You want to make sure that you're using pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie mix. They come in very similar cans, okay? But pumpkin pie, canned pumpkin pie filling is different. It has sugar, it has pumpkin pie spice added to it already. You don't want that. You want to control the sugars and the spices and stuff that are going into your pumpkin bread. And then I sprayed a loaf pan with some oil, and I'm putting this in there. And I added the cranberries in at the end and just mixed those up with a spatula. Now I'm tapping out the air bubbles, and that went in the oven. And while it was in the oven, I made a cream cheese frosting. Very simple, just some cream cheese, just a little powdered sugar, and some milk and some vanilla extract, and I'm mixing that up. You could add pumpkin to this as well. You could add some pumpkin pie spice to this icing if you wanted. I did not want to do that. So there it is out of the oven. It was absolutely beautiful. There it is again. I can't express to you how proud I was of this bread. It was gorgeous. The crust is so shiny. Anyway, so now it's cooled off completely, and I am just spreading that icing on top. You don't have to have the icing on top if you don't want to. I just felt like it needed something extra. But that's it. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.